Welcome to this video tutorial in which we're going to show the VR cover flow, in which you can see how we make the transitions between the covers whenever we move our head right or left. Okay, so we have that cool animation, and we have also the shadows, as you can see on the ground, and the reflections, etc. So let's explain how this package works. You have two scripts only that are controlling the system. One of those is the cover manager, in which you are going to select the sprites you want to show in your game. Okay, so the sprites are in textures. You have all the sprites here, and then you have the degraded linear, where I'm going to explain you what it is. So then we have the cover prefab. So you go to the prefabs and you draw the cover, and you will have that there, in which we are going to find also the second script, that is the cover events. So the cover events has a call or a variable that is the cover image and the cover shadow, that are this one and this one. So as you can see, it's just the shadow of the image that we are plotting underneath the cover. Okay. So the maximum rotation is going to be the initial position of the cover. It's going to be rotated 45 degrees or more. Okay, like that. Okay, and finally the cover number is just a variable that's going to be assigned in order to have the reference of the number of the covers we have or in the stage. Okay. So whenever we hit the play button, you're going to create all of these cover prefabs, which have their own script, and then we're going to be able to set the distance and the cover initial rotation. Okay, so the distance is 1.5 and the cover rotation is 60 degrees, and you're going to see the result here. Okay, so we build all the prefabs like that. And then whenever we are moving, as you can see, the actual cover number is changed. Why is that used for? So if we go to the cover manager script, okay, we have the reset position call that we are calling whenever we are on, okay, cover. So you can see here we have the on cover enter. That means that we are going to enter a cover, and inside of that function we are calling the reset positions after assigning the cover number to the actual cover. Okay, and inside that reset position functions, what we're doing is rotating the covers that are before the actual cover to minus cover rotation. That means that are going to be facing us all the time. And the actual cover is going to be set to 0 rotation, which means that it's going to be in front, and the other ones are going to be rotated to the other side. So that's the effect, as you can see here. Whenever we are pointing to a different cover, we have those covers before that are rotating to the left, and these ones here that are still rotating to the right. Okay, so that's all regarding the scripts. I hope you like this package. It's really simple, we know it, but it's really powerful. You can build your own cover flow with these simple scripts. And as well, all the covers have a function that is on cover click. So whenever you click on them, you can call your own function. For example, if you want to play a sound, you can go here and say audio source, point, play, whatever. Okay. So everything is prepared to do your own functions, but remember that they are here, okay, on cover click. Okay, so that's all.